It's almost 2025, and that means it's time for New Year's resolutions. Let's be honest. How many times have we set these huge goals only to lose steam by February? It's not your fault. It happens to all of us. Here's the deal. Resolutions fail when they're overwhelming. This year, we're going to change the game by focusing on small, actionable financial steps that add up to massive wins. Whether you want to get out of debt, save more, or start investing, these 8 steps will help you crush 2025. Ready? Let's dive in. 1. Start an emergency fund. We're starting with the foundation. This isn't the most exciting thing to talk about, but it's absolutely critical. Think of it as your financial seatbelt. Why? Because life happens. The car breaks down, a medical bill comes out of nowhere, or worst case, you lose your job. Without an emergency fund, you risk turning a bad situation into a financial disaster. Here's your target. If you're single, save 3-6 months of living expenses, but if you support others, aim for 9 to 12 months. Here's the kicker. Don't just let this money sit in a regular savings account, earning next to nothing. High-yield savings accounts are your best friend here. They can earn you 4% interest or more, which means your money is working for you, even while it's just sitting there. And let's talk strategy. Don't think you need to save this overnight. For example, start by saving $500. Once you hit that, aim for $1,000. It's all about momentum. 2. Take control of your debt. Debt. The word itself feels heavy, right? Whether it's credit cards, student loans, or personal loans, debt can feel like a giant weight on your shoulders. But here's the good news. There's a strategy to tackle it. Enter the avalanche method. List your debts by interest rate, from highest to lowest. 2. Focus on paying off the one with the highest interest rate first while making minimum payments on the rest. Why does this work? Because those high-interest debts, like credit cards, cost you the most over time. Tackling them first saves you money and gets you out of debt faster. And hey, I get it. Paying off debt feels daunting. But even small steps make a difference. Maybe you start by cutting out one coffee shop visit a week and putting that 20 toward your debt. It doesn't seem like much, but it adds up. Oh, and here's a 2025 rule. No new debt unless it's absolutely necessary. If you can't pay for something in full, it doesn't belong on your credit card. Period. 3. Create a budget that works for you. Budgeting has a bad rep. People think it's about deprivation, but it's really about freedom. A good budget gives you control over your money, so you can spend guilt-free on the things that matter most to you. The 50-30-20 method is a fantastic starting point. 1. 50% of your income goes to essentials. Think rent, utilities, and groceries. 2. 30% is for fun. Yes, fun is built into the budget. 3. 20% is for your financial goals, like savings and investments. Here's the beauty of this method. It's flexible. If 30% for fun doesn't feel right for your lifestyle, tweak it. The goal is to create a system that works for you and keeps you on track. A tip for 2025, review your budget monthly. Did your income change? Did you overspend in one category? Adjust as needed. Over time, you'll become a pro at managing your money. 4. Adjust your tax strategy. Taxes. Nobody likes them, but they're part of the game. With Trump-era tax policies still shaping the landscape, many Americans are benefiting from lower federal income tax rates. But don't just assume you're getting the best deal. Here's how to optimize your taxes for 2025. 1. Max out tax-advantaged accounts like 401ks, IRAs, and HSAs. 1. These reduce your taxable income and help you save for the future. 2. Take advantage of deductions and credits while they're still available. 2. Policies can change, so it's smart to act now. 3. If you're self-employed, don't leave money on the table. 3. Deduct things like home office expenses, internet costs, and business supplies. And here's a golden rule. Keep records. Whether you're saving receipts or using tax software, staying organized makes filing a breeze. If you're unsure about something, consult a tax professional. A little advice now can save you thousands later. 5. Boost your retirement contributions. Let's talk about future you. Are you setting them up for success? If not, 2025 is the year to start. Here's your game plan. If your employer offers a 401k, contribute enough to get the full match. That's free money. Don't have a 401k? Open an IRA. either traditional or Roth. Each has unique benefits, so choose what works best for you. And let's not forget the magic of compound interest. The earlier you start saving, the more your money grows. Even if you can only contribute $50 a month, that's better than nothing. Future, you will thank you. 6. Start investing. Investing can feel intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. Start small and focus on consistency. Platforms like Robinhood, Acorns, or M1 Finance make it easy to invest with as little as $5. If you're unsure where to begin, consider using a robo-advisor. It's like having a financial planner that does all the heavy lifting for you. Here's the secret. Investing isn't about timing the market, it's about time in the market. Start now, even if it's just a small amount. By the time 2025 ends, you'll have a head start on building wealth. 7. Maximize your spending. If you're going to spend money anyway, why not make it work for you? 1. Use cashback apps like Rakuten to earn rewards on your purchases. 2. Choose a rewards credit card that matches your lifestyle. Are you a foodie? A traveler? A parent with a growing grocery bill? There's a card for that. Pro tip, stack rewards. Use a cashback app and a credit card for the same purchase. It's like getting paid to shop. 8. Make a plan for your future. What's your dream life in 2026 or 2030? Take some time to think about it. What do you want? A new home? A big trip? Financial freedom? Here's the fun part. Make a plan. Talk it out with a partner, a friend, or even just yourself. Figure out how your money can help you get there. Having a vision keeps you motivated and makes the hard work feel worth it. 2025 is your year. Whether it's building an emergency fund, tackling debt, or planning for the future, these steps will set you up for success. But it doesn't stop here. You have to take action to make it happen. Here's what you can do right now. Comment below and share one financial goal you're setting for yourself in 2025. Whether it's paying off a credit card, starting a side hustle, or saving for a dream vacation, putting it out there makes it real. 1. Plus, it's a great way to inspire others in the community. If this video has been helpful, like it. That simple click helps this content reach more people who could use a financial boost in their lives. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future videos on money management, investing, and building financial freedom. 3. We've got big things coming in 2025, and you won't want to miss out. And finally, here's a challenge for you. Grab a notebook or open your Notes app and write down 3 specific goals for your financial life in 2025. Make them SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, save $1,500 for an emergency fund by June. Pay off $3,000 of credit card debt by the end of the year. Invest $100 a month into a retirement account starting this January. Once you've written them down, break each goal into smaller steps. The clearer your plan, the easier it will be to follow through. Remember, this isn't just about numbers. It's about using your money as a tool to build the life you want. Whether your dream is to travel the world, buy a home, or achieve total financial independence, it all starts with taking small, consistent steps. If this video inspired you, share it with a friend who might be ready to tackle their own goals in 2025. Together, we can build a community of people taking control of their financial futures and living life on their terms. Thank you for watching, and here's to making 2025 your best financial year yet.